Welcome to this complete Portimao Portugal guide. Nestled in the heart of the Algarve region, Portimao is a seaside gem that has been charming local and international tourists alike. With an enchanting blend of history, culture and nature, it's no wonder this Portuguese city is a magnet for wanderers seeking a unique travel experience. Imagine strolling down quaint cobblestone streets where centuries-old edifices stand in quiet reverence to the city's rich past. Now picture pristine beaches where the sun paints a kaleidoscope of colors across the sky and the Atlantic whispers tales of far-off lands. Add a dash of contemporary appeal with a bustling marina, vibrant nightlife and an array of modern amenities. From the echoes of history in its museums and churches to the call of adventure in its stunning natural landscapes, Portimao is a symphony of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags and let's delve into the top 10 things to do in Portimao. First on our list is the famous Praia da Rocha. This beach with its golden sands is a stunning masterpiece of nature. The sands seem to stretch infinitely into the horizon and you'll find it hard to resist dipping your toes in. The cliffs surrounding the beach add a dramatic touch to the picturesque setting. They're not just for show though. They provide a much-needed shade on hot summer days. Now, if you're a thrill seeker, you'll be glad to know that Praia da Rocha offers a variety of water sports. There's something for everyone, from jet skiing to paddleboarding. And when the sun sets, the beach transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. The beachfront is lined with lively bars and restaurants, each offering a unique experience. So, whether you're looking to relax under the sun or indulge in some adrenaline-pumping activities, Praia da Rocha has got you covered. Praia da Rocha offers an unforgettable beach experience. Next, we take you to the serene Alvor Boardwalk. Imagine a leisurely stroll amidst a peaceful ambience, with the gentle rustling of reeds in the breeze as your soundtrack. This wooden walkway, meandering through lush vegetation, offers stunning views of the Alvor estuary. The estuary itself is a testament to the beauty of nature, a place where the river meets the sea, creating a unique ecosystem teeming with life. It's a rich haven for bird life, with species such as flamingos, herons and kingfishers making frequent appearances, much to the delight of birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. And the atmosphere? Picture tranquility personified. The boardwalk is a place where time seems to stand still, where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and find a moment of calm amidst nature's symphony. Whether you're an avid birder, a lover of scenic landscapes, or simply someone seeking peace and quiet, Alvor Boardwalk is a haven for nature lovers. Third on our list is the vibrant Portimao Marina. This lively marina is a spectacle to behold, with luxury yachts bobbing gently in the turquoise water. It's a place where opulence meets leisure, and the nautical life is celebrated in style. Imagine the polished decks of the moored yachts gleaming under the Portuguese sun. They're not just for show though. Many of these yachts offer unforgettable boat tours, providing a unique perspective of Portimao and the Algarve coast. Surrounding the marina, a myriad of bustling shops and restaurants beckon. From quaint souvenir shops to high-end boutiques, there's something to satisfy every shopper's desire. And when it comes to food, the restaurants here serve up a delicious array of local and international cuisine, with the catch of the day always a highlight. Whether you're a lover of all things nautical or simply enjoy the finer things in life, Portimao Marina is a hub of activity and luxury. For history aficionados, we recommend the Museu de Portimao and Igreja de Nossa Senhora da Conceição. The Museu de Portimao, housed in a restored 19th century canning factory, offers an intriguing dive into the city's past. From prehistoric artifacts to exhibits showcasing the booming sardine industry of the early 20th century, the museum paints a vivid picture of Portimao's evolution. Just a stone's throw away is the Igreja de Nossa Senhora da Conceição. This church is a testament to Portimao's resilience. Originally built in the 15th century, it was almost entirely destroyed in the 1755 earthquake. But like a phoenix, it rose from the ashes, its reconstruction showcasing a blend of Gothic and Manueline architectural styles. Today, its whitewashed walls and ornate interior hold a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike. A visit to these two sites offers a glimpse into Portimao's rich history. Next, we have two more beautiful beaches, Praia do Vão and Praia dos Três Irmãos. Praia do Vão, with its golden sands and turquoise waters, is a sublime retreat. Its serene environment offers a stark contrast to the bustling Praia da Rocha. Then there's Praia dos Tres Irmãos, or the Beach of the Three Brothers. Known for its striking rock formations, it's a photographer's dream come true. The intriguing caves and secret tunnels carved by the sea over the centuries beg to be explored. They say that the three towering rocks standing sentinel in the sea gave the beach its name. Both beaches are less crowded, providing a more relaxed and intimate experience. Whether you're looking for a peaceful sunbathing spot or a scenic walk along the shoreline, these are the places to be. If you're a nature lover, the stunning landscapes here will leave you captivated. These beaches are a must-visit for those seeking tranquility and stunning natural beauty. Further along our journey, we explore Algar Seco and Quinta Pedagogica de Portimao. Algar Seco, a remarkable testament to the raw power of nature, tantalizes the senses with its jagged cliffs and natural pools. Sculpted by the relentless Atlantic, it's a symphony of rock formations and sea caves, a spectacle that leaves you marveling at the artistry of Mother Nature. Next, we shift gears and head to Quinta Pedagogica de Portimao, where the pastoral charm is in full bloom. It's a hands-on educational farm that brings you closer to the rhythm of rural life. Here you can meet and greet a variety of farm animals, from donkeys to ducks, each with their own delightful quirks. Experiences extend beyond the animal kingdom, with an array of educational activities that offer a fresh perspective on sustainable living and organic farming. These destinations offer a wonderful mix of nature and learning opportunities. Finally, we end our tour with the historic Forte de Santa Catarina. This towering fortress, built in the 17th century, stands as a sentinel over Portimao, offering a glimpse into the city's rich history. Its stone walls, weathered by time and the salty sea air, have stories to tell of brave explorers and fierce battles. Perched on a cliff overlooking the sea, the fort offers panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. From here, you can see the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean kissing the golden sands of Praia da Rocha, one of Portimao's most popular beaches. The fort's strategic location near the beach means you can combine a day of sunbathing with a bit of history. As the day winds down, find a quiet spot on the fort's walls. Let the ocean breeze cool you as you watch the sun slowly set, painting the sky in shades of red and orange. Fort de Santa Catarina is the perfect place to end your day in Portimao, watching the sunset over the ocean. There you have it, the top 10 things to do in Portimao. From the sun-kissed beaches to the rich cultural heritage, Portimao truly offers a diverse range of experiences. Let's take a moment to revisit the sights and sounds we've discovered together. Our journey started at Praia da Rocha, a glorious beach with towering cliffs and golden sand. It's a place where the rhythm of the waves becomes your own heartbeat. Then, we strolled down the Alvor Boardwalk, a serene pathway that invites you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. We also explored the vibrant Portimao Marina, a testament to the city's maritime legacy that's brimming with colorful boats and lively restaurants. Here, the sea whispers tales of old fishermen and their legendary catches. Our cultural exploration led us to the Museu de Portimao and the Igreja de Nossa Senhora da Conceição, where the echoes of history intertwine with the beauty of art and architecture. These places hold the city's past close, and their stories are waiting for you to discover. We then dove into the stunning beaches of Praia do Vão and Praia dos Tres Irmãos. These are not just beaches, they are portals to tranquility, where the sun paints a different masterpiece every day. Our adventure continued at Algar Seco and Quinta Pedagogica de Portimao, where the beauty of nature and the joy of learning come together in a harmonious blend. Finally, we visited the Forte de Santa Catarina, a sentinel of history overlooking the sea, reminding us of the city's resilience and spirit. So our journey ends here, but yours is just beginning. Each of these places holds a unique charm, a different story. But Portimao is not just about these 10 spots. It's a city that invites you to wander, to explore, and to find your own favorite corners. Thank you for joining this journey through Portimao. We hope this guide inspires you to explore this beautiful city in the Algarve region of Portugal.